Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I really do appreciate you all, my return subscribers and my new viewers. You guys are all amazing for supporting this mama. God bless you all. So my darlings, today happens to be my kids school Christmas splash stroke Santa village tour kind of party day. Yeah, they are closing for the term today, and they will also be celebrating December star born if that makes sense. I mean December birthday celebrants, they'll be celebrating them today as well. So what you see this mama doing right here is she is cooking. If you're new to my channel, in all my kids birthday I always cook, okay, to appreciate the teachers that spend hours upon hours taking care of our children. So yeah, since it's festive season, I mean it's the season of love, and this is my own love language. This is, I mean, the little way that I can appreciate these teachers that take care of, my kids and other kids as well in school. So yeah, I am cooking fried rice. So now let me allow you guys enjoy the cooking part of this video. And while you watch, do not forget to encourage this mama by liking the video, give it a big thumbs up, and to my new viewers, please subscribe and join the family. Thank you as you do. So my darlings, after I had cooked the rice to this point, I had to pause and go dress my kids up for school. I started cooking from 4 a.m. in the morning, and at this point the time was 6:30 a.m. They were asked to come to school by 7:30. That's when they will start the whole Christmas carol party. Okay, and as you can see, my second daughter, she's a ballerina. The ballerina dancers will be dancing very early, so I didn't want them to miss any of their presentations. So I just had to quickly, dress my kids up and then go drop them in school early. And by the time I got back, I resumed cooking. So please keep watching. Beautiful girl. My girls are beautiful. See your lunch bag right here and your school bag. Easy. Just come down and hold on for me. So guys, after I got back from dropping my kids in school, I continued with the cooking. As you guys know, I was already, done with the rice base. So here I'm just prepping the veggies, and after prepping the veggies, I'll start frying them. And then I also made beef sauce, okay, that I also packed with white rice. You guys, please keep watching and enjoy watching the rest of the video. So, my darlings, several times I have gotten this question, Becky, why do you cook for your kids' teachers on every of your kids' birthday? Now, this is just a simple answer. It is the love that I have for my kids that makes me put in this much energy to cook for their teachers. I mean, their birthdays is the avenue that I use to appreciate their teachers. Now, I know how much that I put in, how much humanly effort that I put in caring for my kids. Now, these are the teachers that take care of these kids in school, not just in educating them, in teaching them good morals, in caring for them health-wise as well. So yes, these teachers deserve every form of appreciation that we can give to them as parents. Let them know that we see their effort, despite the fact that they are doing their job. But then again, every good job deserves a pat on the back. I hope this answers the question.
You guys, I can't even pack Arabella's party pack right now. Her teachers will have to help me pack it because I'm behind time. This is the party pack that they will use. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 14. Perfect. Then, what else is going to be in the party pack? The juice and the biscuit.
Snow is falling down, lots of Christmas cheer, starry nights, Christmas lights, and around the tree. Get the candy canes and pumpkin pie, stockings up by the fireside, starry nights, Christmas lights.
Smile! Smile!
So my darlings, my kids, they totally enjoyed themselves today. Like they had fun. Trust kids. They had fun with the face painting. They had fun with the birthday celebration. Mommy got them popcorn and ice cream. They were both so happy. I mean, super energized. I was exhausted and I couldn't wait to go home, but I just had to, let them enjoy their last day in school for the term. Thereafter, we went to their classes, okay, to pick up their results, okay, for the end of first term. You guys, at this point, I have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed watching. Bye bye.
Let's go. Be going, be going. Yay, go, go, go.